Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're having for a dinner party. It's a surprise party. Today cherry berry, because today is cherry's berry basis wish. And we are the guests, we are the early bird. Always present. So the resto is not open yet, so we're just waiting here and we're gonna get something to drink. This is the inside of the club. That's Reinhardt. That's this inside the
What are you making a movie?
table and chairs.
Yeah, what are you really up to?
Up to not no good. Step by steps. Watch out.
Yeah, look at it. Be careful.
Okay. So that's the club. Hello, beautiful. So what you got there, buddy? Just us here.
Right, who wants a drink? I'll get
Buying
it.
a drink for us. Hello, beautiful. What you been doing?
Just organized.
There's the organizer of our surprising birthday party.
I like to organize things for someone that I love, and only special people get surprised.
So, thank you. So we're here at the back of the Ford. Happy birthday, Cherry Berry. Oh, there's our guest. Hello. A special visitor. Is here the guest? Only the birthday celebrant is not here yet. So, we'll see you later. Still very quiet in the restaurant.
Yeah. You wouldn't think that they could make a living here, would you?
Really? Not much people.
No, obviously that's all shut, yeah, so doesn't look like they're getting ready to open it anytime soon either, does it? Yeah.
Remember when we used to come here once in a while and cut
So the birthday
So how much
celebrant
profit have you
is
still got under
coming
there?
Oh,
soon.
they want more.
Coming later, the birthday
There's a
celebrant.
bit of airports, more than they'd see us out for a while.
Hi, lovely.
Worked at the base for 2 months.
How come you turned up together?
Huh?
No, it didn't happen.
Happy birthday!
Hello.
Hello! Hello, Rihanna!
It didn't happen like that. I pulled up over
Hello! Hoy, hoy! Hello, hello! So, nakaganti ako. Dahil nakaganti ako. Dahil, utangin yung akin ha. Hello, Cherry Berry. Hello, Cherry Berry.
that way.
It's not a picture, it's a video. It's a surprise.
He doesn't live far from where I live.
Bring your own plates.
It's dead end street.
That's right. Still there.
Bring your own plates.
He's still alive.
We didn't trust this plate.
Because I don't go
Too
past
small.
there now because I haven't got a dog. So
We need a big one.
I don't go walking anywhere. But
And heavy and this one.
That's our food for tonight.
The old pensioner. They got nothing. The old pensioner, they eat crap. And they can't pay for my poor.
You're in my video. Okay?
Just do your normal rate. Whether you do work.
They're busy eating their dinner. So guys, we have our Tupperware for our leftover. Kahit nandito kami sa restaurant, meron kaming dala-dalang mga Tupperware. Kasi lalagyan namin ng aming leftover.
happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday
you.
to
Happy
you.
birthday, dear Kitty.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hooray!
I used to blow them out now.
Blow, we make a wish and then light a candle.
You should get those. Have you seen those candles? When you blow them out, 10 seconds
It's
later
alright.
they come up again.
As long as Jerry's happy. Hip hip hooray. It's time to slash your cake now.
Lucy. Where is she? Where is she? I haven't seen her for ages. What? Oh yeah, she's still around, is she? Make her.
She's in the newspaper, in the Southwest Register,
Why, what's she do?
dancing of, you know the one in
Lucy.
in the school of arts. And
What's, oh, that's too big.
It is too big. Hi there.
thank you. Thank you.
I was trying to wave.
So open your birthday gift.
You want a copy, Wayne?
No, mate.
Anybody?
No,
No, thank you.
Can I help?
sorry, I don't drink coffee.
She always does the table on there, didn't you?
She always does that.
There's a knife there. Ah, there's a little. The knife is.
She always does that.
Because it's open. It's like...
Does he want to open it?
Rip it up. Yeah.
You open it or not?
Because it doesn't. It's open.
Whoa! What's inside? Oh,
Thank you.
thank you very much. Wow! Happy birthday!
Cherry, happy birthday. Wishing everything that makes the perfect day for you and hope that you and that child is just as happy to enjoy your day. Hope you have a wonderful day from the Matthews family. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Use the napkin.
Oh, first.
Wow!
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, look at it.
Do you like Maltese, Rihanna? Do you like it?
Oh.
What's
Yeah,
in
that's
the
a butterfly
bag?
to a bake because I know you maybe want it.
It really fits
Why are
like
you making
in a,
so
in a
hard,
bun.
lah?
It fit in bags. That's why I put the bag.
What's in there? Why? Come on, quick, quick!
I'll just cut the bag.
Lego. Model surfer.
Say Rihanna the good butterfly because I know you like the butterfly.
Fly, butterfly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, another casing.
I thought it was stuck to a phone. The phone, no.
Whoa.
One pull you into there. Not lucky now.
Swerve's cake.
Then happy Cherry Berry. Obviously, it's your birthday. I have been thinking of ways to celebrate your birthday with you, but I never really come to a proper conclusion. A person as awesome as you only deserve the best. Cheers to many more years of laughter, love, and happiness. And thank you for being my happy and happy. From love from Australianang Bisaya.
Oh, wow.
The new color.
What are they?
Red and
Phone case.
yeah.
Oh, right.
Oh,
There's
Rihanna
more.
thought it's a new phone. There will be two phones, one for you.
Yeah.
That's lucky.
There you go.